The KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer Shredder is the quick and easy way to slice and shred fresh ingredients for salads, dressings, burgers, and more. With 3 included quick change blades, it uses the power of your KitchenAid stand mixer's motor to slice, shred, and so much more. The slicing blade quickly slices vegetables such as cucumbers, carrots, celery, and zucchini. The 6mm coarse shredding blade allows for easy coarse shredding, perfect for shredding ingredients like cabbage for coleslaw or potatoes for hash browns. The 4mm medium shredding blade provides easy medium shredding, perfect for freshly shredding cheese and firmer vegetables such as carrots. All 3 Fresh Prep Slicer Shredder blades are top rack dishwasher safe. The attachment and accessories pack and organize neatly inside a convenient case for easy access and storage.